Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Facebook Page Basics. In this lesson, we're going to talk about optimizing your Facebook page. Let's get started. Having a Facebook page helps businesses to build their brand on Facebook. People who are not aware of their brand can discover their page. It will be easier to communicate with customers using the platform. Marketing promotions is also possible with organic or paid promotions. You can also attract leads to your page. Customers can easily give feedback on your Facebook page, making it possible for everyone to see. Optimizing your Facebook page will make your video content for the promotion of your products and services more efficient, productive, and legit. Now let's talk about how we can optimize our Facebook page. The first thing that we will focus on is the page details. To edit this, in this section, click the About tab. Under General Settings, you'll see Category. Click Edit. Then write whatever you decide your page category will be. Next is the name. Click Edit in the Name section and type in your brand or business name. Next, customize page URL name. In this section, you'll see Username and click Edit. This is your vanity URL. Write what page URL name that you have decided. Here's a quick tip. Your URL name should not exist before, or else it won't be created or registered. Next, Business Info. Under the Business Info, edit your start date. Click the Edit Start Date and then enter the date when your brand started. Next is Business Type. Click on it, then choose what additional details best define your business. Add or edit your contact info. You will see under the contact info the phone number. Then type in your business contact number here. Next, add your email. Type in your business email here. Next, add your website. Enter the URL of your website here. Next, add your other social media accounts. Click Add Account. Then beside the box, you'll see a selection if it's an Instagram account that you're adding, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. Choose what social media account you would like to add in your Facebook page, then enter your username for that social media account. Now let's add a page description. Under More Info, you can see the About section here. Click Edit. You'll see a pop-up window where you can describe your page. Add 1 to 2 sentences that shows a brief summary of your page. You can tell people about your products or services, and it will help your page be discovered. Next, edit your business info. On the far upper right corner, you'll find the Edit Page Info. Click on it. In this section, you can add your phone number. Just type in your business phone number and make sure to select the country code here. Then click Save. Next, add your website. Type in your website URL here so that people can click on your website if they want to learn more about your brand or business. Next, add your email address here. This will allow people to contact you via their email address if they prefer. Then add a location if your store has a physical address. Type in your street address, city, and zip code. Your location affects your appearance in local search by people. Next, add your business hours. Then place a check in the box that best suits your business hours. Next, add a call to action button. In this section, you'll see an Add a Button option. Click on it. In step 1, choose the best option for your business. Then click Next. Next, click Settings on the upper right corner, then click the Messaging option. Go to Start a Messenger conversation. Turn on the Show a Greeting option to edit your greeting message. Click Change and type in your desired greetings and click Save. Lastly, optimize your page tabs. Click Settings in the upper right corner and click the Templates and Tabs menu on the left side. To arrange these tabs, just choose the tabs that you want to arrange, hold and drag where you want it to be placed. It is also important to optimize your Facebook page's cover photo and profile photo. We'll discuss more on that topic in the next lesson, so make sure to watch it. Now that you know about optimizing your Facebook page, we can now proceed to the next topic optimizing your profile and cover photo. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about optimizing your profile and cover photo. Let's get started. Optimizing your profile and cover photo is important. Whenever you publish a post, people will see the post and very often, they won't even look at the page name. They will look at your logo. This is because it is instinctive to look at images instead of reading text. People are drawn to visuals, so your logo should clearly identify that it is you or your brand. People should be able to connect with your logo. With your cover photo, you must be able to showcase your brand, your featured products or services, or what your business actually do. This will grab the customer's attention and they will stay on your Facebook page. A profile picture is your identity that is seen in all engagements across the social media platform. They serve as an avatar next to the profile name as people see on comments, content, posts, mentions, notifications, etc. For your profile photo, the best format recommended is PNG. The size must be at least 180 by 180 pixels. Always maintain a square photo. Here are some great examples of brands that follow the Facebook recommended pixel range: Hydro Flask, Crunch, Starbucks. Keep it simple. Make a simple representation of what your brand is. This is what will mark in people's minds. So make sure that the photo is eye-catching, easy to digest, and it shows a strong representation of what your brand is. Here are great examples from big brands that show simplicity. You have Lace, Netflix, McDonald's, KFC, Audi, Subway, LG, Starbucks, FedEx, and Apple. Next, use minimal colors. Your brand must have a dominant color for your profile photo. Here are some examples from brands that use two colors. Pepsi uses red and blue. Netflix, the colors black and red. Now here are brands that use three colors. MasterCard, using red, orange, yellow. PayPal, use three different kinds of blue. Then Tide, use the colors blue, yellow, and orange. A cover photo is a large photo on the top part of your Facebook profile or Facebook page. It's the biggest part of your Facebook page. That is why people will be able to see it first as they click on your profile. There is a study where it is discovered that people spend more time glancing at the cover photo. The recommended dimensions of the cover photo are 820 by 312 pixels. The format recommended is sRGB or a JPEG file, and the file size must be less than 100 KB. If your cover photo has a logo and a text, it is best to upload it using the PNG file format. Here are examples of brands that optimize their cover photo. You have Coca-Cola, Adidas, Lacoste, and Philips Sounds. For cover photos, you can outline and describe your business's service. Here's an example business, Car Detailing Services. As you can see, they added every service they offer and their contact information in the cover photo. You can also utilize your cover photo by featuring a product that will be available in your store soon. Here's a great example made by Colgate. Next, highlight the best features of your product. Doing this will attract more people to purchase your product, increasing your sales. Having a good profile photo and cover photo gives the impression that you have taken the time to create a stunning photo for your Facebook page, which will represent your brand. So optimize your profile photo and cover photo to tell your brand story or purpose. Now that you know about optimizing your profile and cover photo, we can now proceed to the next topic, cover video versus cover photo. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about cover video versus cover photo. Let's get started. Facebook cover photo and cover video is a branding opportunity. Visitors look at the cover photo or video to find quick information about the brand, but most of the time, people are having a hard time choosing which is better to use. A cover photo or video is located on the top part of a Facebook page or a Facebook profile. Unlike profile photos, you won't see a cover photo or video anywhere. The user should visit first your page or your profile to view them. Most followers of your brand might be spending their time more on engaging with your business through Facebook rather than other platforms. So cover photos or videos can greatly affect how your users will see and engage with your brand or business. For the cover photo, the ideal size is 820 pixels wide by 462 pixels tall. For a cover video, the ideal size is at least 820 by 312 pixels. Keep in mind that the video must be less than 1.75 gigabytes. The cover video can be up to 20 to 90 seconds long. You can utilize your Facebook page cover to promote what you are selling. Use your Facebook cover to promote your product, services, and agenda. So which one should you use? If your goal is to have brand awareness, since the brand is still starting, the best option to use is the cover photo. Because first we need to establish what our business is all about. People are going to understand your brand more as you use your cover photo rather than a cover video because your brand is not yet established. Keep in mind that on Facebook, the goal must be maximum effectiveness in lesser time. When using a call to action, it's also great for using a cover photo. Here's a great example of a brand called Rimshot Drumsticks. They used one of the endorsers as a cover photo, and the endorser is a well-known artist in the country. Most likely, people will click on the photo, and the post includes the links to the shop's website where you can order online. A carousel cover photo with multiple images. This is a great way to showcase your products. It can be more digestible to see since you get to see the different products one by one with their picture, and it's also thrilling and exciting to view. Here's a great example of a new coffee brand startup. Here's an example of a cover video used by musicians. You can see that they have uploaded a snippet of their new audio track with its visual art. If you're a well-known brand, you can use cover videos to show things that are related to your brand. For example, this page featured a video of how beautiful Yellowstone is. Films also use cover video to show a trailer of their upcoming movie. Here's an example from DC Films. They uploaded a trailer of the Justice League movie. You could also use a cover video to show a sneak peek of your business place. They showed a sneak peek of what you can expect inside their museum.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.